Hey, what's up everybody? Got a 2018 Toyota Camry doing electronic throttle body cleaning. This is the D45 engine. First we're going to make sure the car is off and the key's outside the vehicle. Make sure it's not on in any way. Then we're going to come over here and get the airbox assembly off. You can start by getting these clips off. Okay, and then once those are off, you could take this little wire guide off. All you do is lift the little tab and slide it back. It should come right off. You shouldn't have to wrestle it or fight it at all. It should just be super simple. Just move the tab and pull straight up. It's real easy. Alright, next we're going to disconnect the Maf sensor. Just push on the tab right here and then pull it back. Again, make sure the car is off or else a check engine light will set. So once that's off, let's go over here. When you pull it out, you're going to make sure those tabs come out. So you can pull it out like kind of towards the front of the car. Let's get over here and take this vacuum hose off, this little guy. You can just pull him off. Be careful not to break that little nipple though. Alright, and then let's take this hose out of the little guide. Now this hose, you could undo this clamp right here and take it off, or you could just take the elbow out. So I recommend just taking the whole elbow out like that. It's just easier. You don't have to take the clamp off to get the elbow out. You can just kind of pull it out. Alright, now let's this 10mm bolt, let's go and loosen this up. You don't want to loosen this all the way because it'll disengage the clamp and that'll be really annoying to put it back together. Just loosen it enough to where you could remove this. So go ahead and wiggle this. Alright, and just kind of massage it out, get it out of there, put it somewhere safe so it doesn't get damaged. Alright, so now this is the throttle body. It's electronic, so when you're cleaning it, you want to be real careful because the little electric motor in there, it's not made to like withstand a lot of movement and stuff. So anyways, get yourself some throttle plate cleaner. We're gonna spray it on a towel or a rag. Definitely always spray it on the rag, don't spray the throttle body. Alright, and then we'll spray it on here, and we will open it from the bottom gently, and then gently hold it open. We're going to clean the bottom of the chamber and the top of the chamber, and also both sides of the throttle plate itself on the edges, because this is where carbon builds up on the outer edge and on the inner edge. So we'll get that cleaned up. Go ahead and get in there, and yeah, just make sure you get the back of the plate as well on the back edge, and then we'll gently just let it go back into its place. And now that it's clean, it's all just putting everything back together, guys. So let's go ahead and slide this guy back in here. I moved this hose to be out of my way, but now I can move it back. Alright, we'll go and slide this in here. And put this part on. And then get your clamp tightened down and put this hose in place. The clamp doesn't have to be mega tight, you just gotta get it snug. Put this elbow back. This elbow has a notch. Make sure you match up the notch. Go ahead and get this back in place. Alright, so this area looks secure. Tighten this down. Again, just snug. You don't have to do it super tight. Now we'll come over here and get the airbox in. The airbox, you gotta get the tabs in first. So put those in first, just like that. And then you could clamp them down. So do your clamps after you get the tabs up. We'll put this vacuum line back on. Don't forget this guy. He's kind of out of sight. Be careful not to break that nipple, especially as the car gets older, that nipple part will get brittle. We're going to connect our Maf sensor, put the guides back in place. Alright, and that's it guys, so hope this video helped you out. Please like,